watch I ball. Oh, you lame. Look at my lane, he's switching lanes. Look at my nines, look at my blazers, look at my fours, caught with laser.
What's up, everybody? It's Sneakerhead M-Checks. This weekend, I will be going to the Rolling Loud concert in Miami. Now, upon deciding which sneakers to wear to the event, I ran into a little debate. So you got to keep in mind, it's a concert where everybody's going to be off the drugs, jumping around, bouncing around, dancing around, stepping all over my kicks. On top of that, it might rain, and you guys know how messy things get when it rains, so part of me wants to wear a pair of sneakers that I don't really care about. But at the same time, I'm going to be out there in Miami where the weather is great, which means great lighting for pictures. There's going to be a bunch of beautiful women out there, and just the fact alone that I'm going to be on vacation, I'm going to be feeling myself, so I don't want to just wear anything. I got to flex, at least a little bit. I'm not really sure which side to lean towards at this point, so I asked a few people who I know attended Rolling Loud in the past, and I did a little research online. Everybody's telling me, nah, wear some beaters, your kicks are gonna get ruined, or nah, wear something you don't care about, my whole outfit got destroyed last year, you know, all that crazy stuff, all types of horror stories. Then I go on Twitter to do some research. Damn. So the best thing that I can think of is buy some fire in bad condition at a good price, clean them up the best that I can before the concert, at least they look nice for some pictures or something, wear them to the concert, destroy them at the concert as expected, take them back home with me, clean them up again, and then resell them at a fair price. Sounds like a good plan, right? I mean, I think so. It's a 3-day concert, so I need 3 pairs. So these are the 3 pairs that I cop. We got the Black Toe 1s, Space Jam 11s, Top 3 ones. All of these are in presentable condition, but they're not in like immaculate condition like I like most of my sneakers. Therefore, when I wear these to the concert, if they get messed up, you know, I'll take the L. And if they don't get that messed up and I can re-clean them and sell them for about the same price I bought them for, that's even better. Thank you guys for watching. Be on the lookout for my next video where I attend the concert, wear these kicks there, and show you guys what happens to them. Stay tuned.